Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing, because a reset removes personal data and settings. First, backup documents, desktop, and downloads to an external drive or cloud. Export browser bookmarks and note license keys. Once done, write down Wi-Fi SSID and password, plus two-factor recovery codes. Make sure the laptop is plugged in or has at least 50% battery to avoid power loss during the process. Now open Settings and search for Reset to access the system Restore or Reset options. That's your entry point. You now choose the method. Keep My Files retains personal files while restoring settings, whereas Remove Everything returns the system to factory condition. For reliability, choose Cloud Reinstall if offered. It downloads a fresh OS image. Local reinstall uses files on your device and is faster offline. Before confirming, unlink your Microsoft or Apple ID and suspend or decrypt BitLocker or File Vault so the reset can access drives. Once these steps are complete, review the summary and click Confirm to start the reset operation. You complete the reset by following on-screen prompts. Expect several reboots and allow 30 to 90 minutes depending on hardware. Once finished, go through initial setup. Connect Wi-Fi, sign in, and apply Windows or Mac OS updates so drivers are current. If the reset fails, create recovery media on another machine and boot to reinstall, or use safe mode to repair system files. Finally, restore your backups and reinstall applications. Make sure to re-enable encryption after verifying system integrity and functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.